So in this video, I will show you how to build the entire cold email automation using the cloud artifact. The AI analyze your data, understand its perspective, write personalized email, and automate your outreach process without any coding. So if you are doing any cold outreach, lead generation, or running an agency, it can save the hour of manual work every day. So let's build the entire end-to-end system using the cloud artifact. So let's start. So first of all, we open and understand the structure, how the structure was work. So first of all, we open the cloud artifact and all. So this is the cloud. So in this cloud, there is a version like artifact. So after we open the cloud artifact, what we do, we build in the complete structure of like cold email automation. So if you wanted to connect it, connect email Excel only. So I does not have Excel, so I does not connect it, but I connected the Gmail with MCP server. So there is only one, it take only 1 to 2 minutes to hardly connect the Gmail and all with the same Gmail account. So how the structure was work, we uploaded the B2B leads in the Excel format and it analyzed the complete structure. After analyzing, it generated the option like which type of email you generated. So we give the options and all prompt and all. So after that, it generated the personalized email. So that was the whole structure so I'm thinking to build. So let's see it's able to build and work on cloud and not. So in this we are using the free plan only. So yeah, so the complete structure what we are building we using the free plan. If you want, you can also paid version like I think the $20 plan was there. So you can also do with that for better work. So yeah, that was the whole structure. So let's start and let's build. So open the cloud and make sure open the desktop version. So that was the whole thing. So you can see I already built a lot of artifact and all. The video was uploaded on the YouTube. You can watch all this. And start with new artifact. Go to apps and website. So yeah, the structure was work. So we can see that I opened the ChatGPT to build a complete prompt and all to build a complete structure. So yeah, so we generated the prompt like deeply. We first give the structure, which type of SaaS and we want like for our personal use. After that, it make a personalized prompt to build in the cloud. So that was a better version. It built it perfectly. So that was the whole thing. So let's start. So let's give the prompt. So I wanted to build a cloud artifact. So I wanted to build a cloud artifact. So the structure was that I wanted to generate a personalized email B2B lead to Gmail. So what the structure was, make a uploading format like I will give the Excel format of the all the leads and all. So after that, the cloud has to analyze the complete leads. After that, giving the option like which type of email you wanted to generate, like 2 to 3 option, which type of length, and like 2 to 3 important options. So I will select options and all and giving the prompt, and after that it generate a complete personalized email after the giving the prompt and the name of the person what I was uploaded in the Excel sheet. So that was the whole thing you're supposed to do. And we also connected the Gmail MCP server in the cloud artifact. So it automatically draft in the Gmail with which account we link. So that was the whole structure I want. And UI should clean, simple, does not use more API to build, make it simple UI and add this option only to uploading leads and analyze the leads and giving the prompt which type of B2B cold email I want, and it generated like one click, it generated in the draft of Gmail. So that was the full structure I wanted to build. So make a professional prompt to cloud artifact to build the whole structure. So yeah, build the complete prompt. So you can see that I have make it prompt to the ChatGPT, so it analyze and build. And after the analyze, it does not directly paste. You're supposed to check it's perfect or not. So I read once again. So let's check. So I wanted to build a code artifact. So I pasted the complete prompt. So let's see. It generated like B2B AI email, cloud artifact. build a lightweight email, personalize and all. So single page application, clean and modern, no database authentication, CRM on. So if you are using paid plan, you can add this structure. So we're using the free plan only. So it does not use more API because we have limit and all. So like expected upload this you can see the SCV format, and after that it's analyze the complete and all. So total leads, number of column and all. We'll analyze summary, total industry from common job industry. So after that email configuration, email length, tone. So it giving the options like in the cloud artifact we have selected, and after that only it generated the email. Without these options selection, it's not generate email. That was a great thing. We have the option to select what we want. So yeah, I think the whole prompt was completely okay and all. So if there is an error also, we can fix on the cloud only. So the structure was perfectly. So let's copy and open our cloud artifact. Let's paste the complete prompt. Let's see. So yeah, the whole prompt was complete. Okay. So yeah, so let's paste and next it's able to build. So it's giving the structure. We want that only. So yeah, perfectly. I was detailed email personal agent. Upload section, lead analyze dashboards. So what we want that was completely the structure. I want this only. So it's doing the summary. So yeah, yes, let's build. It takes some time to thinking, and we if it does not connect our MCP with, I will show you first. So this is the customization option. So I already connected my with Gmail only. So it does not have a lot of only have to one click option. So after you click, it's automatically open. So like first I will show you. So first I disconnect the email. And let's connect. So you can connect directly. So you can connect directly your email with one click only. If we are using like another software for sending B2B leads and all, so you can also connect that software also. So I use Gmail only. So I connected the Gmail. So depending upon you, so there will not have a lot of heavy process of connection. Like other software, we just only have one click and able to generate complete thing. Let's open our cloud artifact. It's able to generate or not. So you can see the UI was completely generated. So yeah, the whole thing was completely worked. So you can see that I already have a data of more than 20 SaaS people. So you can see this is the name of the person and what this SaaS was building. And this is the complete summary of the SaaS. And this is the Gmail account of the SaaS. So that was the whole thing. It does not use real Gmail. This is a random Gmail. So with the let's see, paste the whole sheet format in our SaaS and let's see if it's able to work or not. So let's track our upload. So it's analyze the leads completely. After that, the goal was to cold outreach. Length should be like medium and all. And tone was to be professional. Reply to email. The whole emails were generated perfectly. So it generated the subject line with all the emails and all. So if you want, you can also edit. So yeah, it does not want like a high and all. So that was the whole thing. Let's see if it's able to draft the whole structure or not. So let's draft the email. So there is error like the draft was not working. So I giving the prompt to fix the draft version. So you can see that the email was perfectly drafted. If you want, you can edit also. It does not add the name and all. So if you give the prompt like add auto name and all, it will fix that. So you can see that was the whole thing. It generated perfectly. The whole structure was working perfectly. So yeah, that was the whole point of the video and all. So yeah, let's end it. So I generated only one leads. If you wanted to automate more than 50, 100 leads, you can also add. So I added only one lead. So depend upon you and depend upon your means what you wanted to more leads you can also add. So that was the whole point of the video. So yeah, that's all.